All right, time for some Tuesday birthdays here in the 4 states, and we're going to begin with Reich Carnell, turning 9 in Erie. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Rick. And Carly Kirkwood, turning 15 years old this year down in Welch, Oklahoma, with love from Mima and Papa Kirkwood.
And we've got Jamie Hernandez celebrating number 21 over in Carthage. Happy birthday, Jamie.
All right, Carl Maybe celebrating another year wiser in Columbus.
And Mike Setter over in Humboldt celebrating number 60. Says here, your family wishes you a great day. Happy birthday.
Connie Sponsel in Girard, happy birthday to you.
And we've got Shirley York over in Pittsburgh celebrating number 87. Happy birthday, Shirley.
All right, in Sheldon, Missouri, Marilyn Overman, wishing you a happy birthday.
And Dale Daniels over in Moundville, Missouri celebrating a birthday today. Happy birthday.
And last but certainly not least, Ethel Devers in Pittsburgh, happy birthday from your friends and family. We love you.
All right, we love celebrating birthdays and anniversaries with the 4 states. Tanya, how do they do that with us?
All they have to do is send them to us through this email, both birthdays and anniversaries, to birthdays@koamnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're on our website, make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. It is easy to do. You get special deals from local businesses. You also get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. Just head over to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the Birthday Club today.